Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh Hobby. In today's video, we'll talk about one more placement opportunity from NPCI. So, before moving forward with the video, if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I come up with these kind of job opportunities videos on a daily basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch this video till the end so that you can get a complete idea about what kind of job I'll be talking about in this video, and we'll discuss all the information such as the education qualifications, the skills, about the post, about the company, and the location for the job. So we'll discuss each and everything about this job, and I'll also tell you how you can apply for the same. So let's move forward with the today's video, that is about the NPCI job. So very firstly, let me tell you about the NPCI. So NPCI is basically National Payments Corporation of India. So NPCI, an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlements system in India, is an initiative of Reserve Bank of India and India's Banks Association under the provisions of the Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 for creating a robust payment and settlement infrastructure in India. The company is focused on bringing innovations in the retail payments systems through the use of technology for achieving greater efficiency in operations and widening the reach of payment systems. NPCI has products like RuPay, debit, credit and prepaid cards, UPI Unified Payment Interface, also BHIM, that is Bharat Interface Money, AEPS Aadhaar Enabled Payment Services, CTS Check Truncation System. So these are all the products of NPCI. So it is an Indian organization. So we'll further talk about the detailed information about this job. So NPCI is hiring for the position of graduate engineer trainee for all the candidates who have experience of 0 to 2 years, and the location for this job will be Chennai, Hyderabad and Mumbai. So these are the 3 locations they have mentioned here. I'll provide the link for this job in the description box of the video. So if you are willing to apply for the same, you can just go to that link and click on that link, and you'll be just redirected to this official page. There you can just read all this information and just apply by clicking on this apply button. So after going to this page, you will just see job description here. So they have mentioned job description. So we'll further see about the qualifications required for the same. So they are accepting all the applications from all the BE and BTech grads in the field of computer science, and the eligible candidates will be from the batch 2019 and 2020. So these are the 2 batches who are eligible for the same, and they have also mentioned the scores they are accepting. Like the candidate should have a minimum 75% in 10th and 65% in 12th, and in BTech he or she should have a score of 60%, and if you are MTech holder, then even in MTech you should have 60%, and experience will be like 0 to 2 years, and the job location will be Mumbai, Chennai and Hyderabad. So these are the 3 job locations. And here they have given information about the profile snapshot blockchain, profile snapshot open source, profile snapshot data science, and you can just go to that link and read this information in detail. And further they have mentioned like applicant must have good understanding of below skill set like algorithms, Python, machine learning, Linux operating system, at least one of the blockchain frameworks such as Hyperledger Fabric, R3 Corda, Ethereum. So these are the 3 frameworks, and the fundamentals of cloud computing and cloud infrastructure, mainly OpenStack. So these are the skill sets one must have if he or she is willing to apply for this NPCI job. So I'll provide the link for this job in the description box of the video. Just if you are willing to apply for this job, please just go to that link and click on that link. So you can just visit this page here and click on the apply button. After clicking here, you will be just redirected to the next page. There you have to fill all the information they'll ask you to fill, and they'll ask you to upload your CV. So fill all this information. After that, just submit your form. So in this way you can just apply for this NPCI job. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I come up with these kind of videos on a regular basis. So I think you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.